Hey everybody, welcome back to another video from Projects in the Barn. It's been a while, just been super busy, and as you can see I'm down the barn doing some more work on my distance wide. We can't see, I'll have to turn you around in a minute. It's just a quick short video just to show where I am with it and what my next plans are, because I've had to do a bit of furniture repair, which I was sort of having an hour and over doing, but I decided to do it in the end. So best to do it at this stage now. So that's what I've been doing. So I'll flip the camera around, show you where we are, what we're up to, and then we'll have a chat from there. But say just a super short video. Excuse me. So here we go. If I can sort of step back. Oh my God, Simon, what am I doing? A lot of you will be saying. So it looks bad, doesn't it? But trust me, it's getting there. So we've got this whole side off now, excuse me, as you can see. So what have I done? So this piece here we're looking at now, floor to ceiling, that's all brand new. I've remade all that, reset all the real wood banding edges off of the original, set it all into my new panel, which is done. I've just removed this end piece because I'm making that. So that is over, we get past the lights. Excuse my workbench, it is a state at the moment, but there you go, such is life. So that's that new piece there. And I've just slotted out on the tops here, you can see, ready to re-put all the stringing in once I've got it off the old board. That's all my polystyrene insulation for the new framework. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to remove this end panel, take off the solid wood banding edging, and then transfer that onto my new panel. And then against the barn wall, underneath the foam, you can see the new wall with all the wall board fitted on. So and I've got to cut out the windows. This is the back wall, doorway, front bit over cab. So I've got a window to cut out there, window to cut out behind there for the kitchen, all the vents for the fridges. I say window at the back. What else have I been doing? So I've done this end panel, that was rotted out. So I've made a whole new one of them. Put some strengtheners in this end panel because that'd be too much of a pain to get out. So it's actually in pretty good condition, just black on the edges. And then I've replaced all the edges of the floor all the way along. So that's done, and then that's the same story over here. I've just got a load of rubbish on it now from when I've been in there working. So the edges of the flooring have all been replaced all the way along there as well. Ready to accept the new wall. So there we go. Just a short updated video. So yeah, probably the next one I'll do will be of me having the wall back on again, because you've watched me make all the framework. There's nothing really to add to it. It's just a case of lifting it up now and putting it up into place, and then it'll look almost like a complete van again. So, but you know, it has to get worse before it gets better, and it's best to do it right first time and to cut corners and do a bodge. So, and then my plan is once I've got the wall on, from up underneath, so under here, all the way along, I'm going to replace and support the floor from the underside with some new timbers. I say the flooring is actually just the polystyrene, so it's a 25mm polystyrene sandwiched between like a 6mm piece of ply and a 4mm piece of ply. That's it. Goes across the whole the floor, the whole bed. So, which I was quite surprised about, but that's it. So that's why I had to replace the edges. Then I'm going to put some new ply all on the underneath cutting it in around the chassis rails and strengthening all that from the underside. It's going to be the best course of action there. And then I've got a bit of work to do on the metal step. Has rusted away. So I've got some steel, and we're going to cut all this leading edge off and replace all that as well. So we're getting there. But it looks a mess, doesn't it? So as I said, it's just a short video. Yeah, really short video just to say hello. I am still here. I've just sort of been slowly getting into this. Excuse me, still got a cough. So yeah, just getting into it all. So hopefully over the next few days we'll have this wall on, and then we can start again with the other side, the back wall and the roof. So that's where we are with it. So as I said, just a short video just to show you what we're doing, and I am still about, and I'm getting through them slowly but surely. I'm on a deadline now. I've got 9 weeks. In fact, yeah, less than 9 weeks now. 8 weeks to get this whole van finished before we go on our holidays in it. So I'm on a bit of a deadline. So there we go. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, everybody. And I hope you enjoy this little catch up we've just had. And we'll catch up very soon on projects in the barn. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, all the usual stuff there. Okay, so take care, everybody. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.